Hi, my name is Andre Calhoun, and I'm a quality control technician for Ozinga. I got into quality control from my older brother. He's a driver for Ozinga. He gave me some information. I contacted one of the schools, put in a resume, sat down and talked to my quality control managers and the vice president and the president of the Chicago division. And they liked what I was talking about, and I got hired from that day. A typical day on the job is early mornings, an hour before the first load goes out, grab some moistures, which are the stone and sand, and we're trying to see how much water is within that aggregate. Then we start looking through all the orders, making sure that the orders are set up to the way that the mix should be. Then the trucks come. Then now it's time for the actual testing. There's three major factors you're looking for in a test, which is your air test, your slump test, which is the workability of the concrete, and your temperature, which determines how hot that concrete gets. We run gradations once a week to make sure they meet certain specifications required by IDOT or CDOT. We also have tests as far as in specimen cylinder tests, where we make molds based on the concrete that we tested for the day. We'll strip them the next morning and we'll cure them in tanks until it's time for them to be broken, and showing compression strength on those tests to make sure they meet those specifications required by those jobs. One of our biggest challenges in quality control would be environmental changes. I mean, you can't predict for the weather, you can't predict for temperature, and you can't predict what concrete will do at times. So the challenge for me is just kind of getting feedback from drivers or feedback from QC in the field to kind of let me know what's happening to the concrete from when it left my hands to when it got on site, so I know how to make those appropriate and proper adjustments. What I enjoy about working for Ozinga is that they give me all the tools and all the education that is needed for me to succeed within quality control. And I really like that because it gives me the confidence to do my job. It makes me better at what I'm doing. My biggest advice would be that, be confident in what you're doing, because with experience and time and the right education and training, you'll be a great quality control technician.